Hello guys, today we will be playing Dominus Lifting Simulator. So you start off with the dirt Dominus. Well, it should be easy, shouldn't it? Let's do this. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. To wear your Dominus by wear your Dominus. Roblox. I don't have my Roblox. I do need... Oh. I just got punched.
By the way, Sam's Roblox username is BeastBoy19199191.
Minnie's talking. I'm not sure if you can even hear her, but if you didn't, I'll say what she said. She said, if you didn't know Samson's username, it is BeastBoy19199191. If you'd want to friend me, please do so. That would be very appreciated, and like the video. She's gonna quickly say something. So guys, when I go Roblox, okay, one sec. Wait 1 second, guys. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, say.
So guys, when I go Roblox account, I'm gonna call it Min plus G. So when I get my Roblox account, it probably when I get back to Dad's, I probably might get mine on on the 15th of May. Wait, no, actually I think I might get mine on the 22nd. But please make sure you check out my YouTube channel, The Floss Bro. Subscribe to it because it's cool.
Yeah. So, also subscribe to this channel. I know I should change the name of it. I might do that soon.
And the contact.
Yes, I will do that soon. Right. How do I... Oh my! What Dominus do I have? I got... Oh, I've also got Rusty. Yay. Bit more lifting. More lift. More left down. Yes, we got Rusty. Why is it... What's going on? Wait, okay. There we go. There we go. Wah! Oh yeah! Never mind. I'm just gonna reverse. I need to find fire, lava guy. You know what? I think we should play it different.
Oh my god.
Wait, I think I should actually go into a different game. This is getting quite boring. So we'll give this game a like. Why not? Oh, come on. Fudge cakes. Fudge cakey doodly doos. Flipping fudge cakes. Don't speak too loud in the mic. I learnt that from Fortnite. I was playing on PC and through my... Stop talking so loud into the mic! I'm sorry if I got like a cringy voice today. Yeah. Right.
My name is Jill.
No, it's not. Don't lie. Lie. Lies.
I just saw one of the memes. P.S.
She keeps on speaking so loud into the mic, doesn't she, guys? Well. There I go.
And guys, as you know, I've just been to Neck to Life Elementary School. It's a new school and it's out right now. You should check it out.
Right, we should be playing Murder Mystery 2. So let's go, let's go.
Guys, I know something about my teacher, what she actually is. She's actually a murderer.
Say what?
Yeah, she went to university and she went into the murder tour and
Godly. I'm godly. I'm a godly murderer. Oh my god. I want to trade bacon. Trade requests on. Why can I not trade with people? I can't trade with people. What? What? I got so many green fires. Wait. I need to go to crafting. No. Yeah, crafting station. View. I got 4 legendary metal. Not enough. I don't have enough what I need. Oh come on! I'll savage my cold. Yeah. Oh. I don't. Innocent. I'm gonna be innocent. I'm gonna be sheriff or at least murderer. I wanna be murderer. If possible, at least just. Was he holding something? I swear he was holding something. The guy with the robot arms. I swear he was holding. I'm a reverse. Oh, and also, I'm not using my webcam because it fell down the back of my computer and I have no clue where it is. Maybe next video I might be able to find. Oh, maybe next video I might be able to find it. But as you can just see, I just went oof. No! Oh, and also, wait, what did I get? What the hell? I got 2 of them. Flip! I got 2 of them now. Oh, flip, no. He's going behind my computer to find my webcam. I don't think I'll be able to find it. I've got Elf and Samson. What are you doing? Yo. Next Christmas, I think it's going to be worth a lot. Sheriff! Wait, I'm going to go into that sheriff only part. Where is it? I think it's in here. I think she thinks she found it. Do you? Does that mean... Where is it? Where are the actual cheeseburgers? Is it? Oh yeah. I think this is Galaxy. Wait, do you know what I'm gonna do?
What the F word?
Don't. Please. There's a lot of people around here getting spooked. That's for hell. I'm scared. Where is he? I think I got rid of them. What? Was she holding a knife? She's it. She's it. She's it. She's it. The hell. I got her. No, it wasn't her. It wasn't her. The actual hell. Well, don't follow me. Well, don't follow me next time. Follow me. I don't know what game to play.
Samson plays every single ROBLOX game. Well, almost.
I played almost every single game on Roblox except for the good download that cost Robux. My other account that got hacked. I didn't, I had Robux. Tons and tons in it. Meh. What? Let me choose. Right. Right. What? I don't know. Right. No. You're my granny. Not you. Minnie just said, do granny, granny. I went, no. You're the granny. Hacked. New. Hacked. The hell. New jailbreak hacked. F9. Oh my voice! No clue what to play at all. What's Zamzam? Oh, Electronic World! Duh. Animatronic World.